Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Salesforce login with MFA for sales operations easy tutorial. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Salesforce login page. Enter your Salesforce credentials, including your username and password. Once you have logged in, you may be prompted to set up Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA. If you are not prompted, go to the Setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. From the Setup menu, search for Users in the Quick Find box. Click on Users to view the list of user accounts. Select the user account you wish to enable MFA for. Scroll down to the User Details section. Look for the Multi-Factor Authentication option. Enable MFA by checking the appropriate box. Now, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Next, you will need to set up your MFA method. Salesforce supports several options, such as Salesforce Authenticator, SMS, and email. If you choose Salesforce Authenticator, download the app from your App Store. Open the Salesforce Authenticator app and tap on Add an Account. You will see a QR code on your Salesforce screen. Scan the QR code with the Salesforce Authenticator app. Once scanned, the app will generate a verification code. Enter this verification code back into the Salesforce login page. If you opted for SMS or email, check your phone or email for the verification code. Input the received verification code into the Salesforce login page. Click on the Verify button. After successfully verifying your MFA method, you will be logged into your Salesforce account. Ensure that you remember your MFA method to streamline future logins. Congratulations, you've successfully authorized Salesforce login with MFA for sales operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.